Today I'm going to cover a few simple ways to add comments to an Adobe PDF in case you're collaborating with a designer who's using the professional version and you don't have the professional version. A lot of times we can actually make all the comments we need, make suggestions to text, make replacements to text through the comment functionality that is in Adobe Acrobat Reader DC or Acrobat Reader 11 for PCs. This illustration is in the DC on my Mac Mini, but the same mouse clicks are going to apply to the Adobe XI or 11 versions. First thing you can do is put a sticky note. It's a very easy way to set a comment to just provide some feedback. Right-click on the document where you want that sticky note to appear, and then add sticky note. You'll notice because it knows who I am on my workstation, it labels the sticky note with my name. So if you don't see a name or you see something generic like Valpo, contact the IT help desk. They can help you set up the names on your computer or your workstation to make sure that your profile matches that. Sometimes you don't care if it just says Valpo and you're sending it to a remote, a third-party vendor that's working on the document with you. They're not going to care if it was from person A or person B in the office. So that's just something that you can think about if that's useful to you. For the sticky note itself, we'll just right-click, like I said, open it up, add the text, whatever you want them to know about this place on the document. So for this one, we'll just ask them to use the color version. You can also put these kind of notations directly onto the text. So for instance, if I wanted to make an adjustment here, I can highlight it, right-click it. You can choose highlight text simply to make things stand out, strike through, add note to replace text, add note to text. I'll go ahead and add a note to replace the text. So you see it's a different color box, so designers will know what those different color boxes mean to help them key in on things. Again, you see the timestamp when I made that, saying the name of who it is. So I will say, call this plenary session. That way we would know that. And you'll see it comes up a little differently. And when you mouse over these, you see them come up. So they don't have to be clicked on specifically, but it provides a very easy way to add a certain amount of feedback. And different people can add feedback to the same document, so you'll see all of those things until they're accepted in Acrobat Professional and set up that way. Once you've made all the notations in the document that you want to, go ahead and do a File Save As. I recommend doing File Save As so that you can put a revision stamp, date stamp, something in the file name. That'll help you organize. When did I do this? Is this the original version or is this the one with my edits? So in this case, I'm going to do revision 3. Save that, and then I can send that by email back to the person I'm collaborating with, or put it in a shared cloud storage like a Google Drive that we both have access to.